Hi everyone, I'm Devin Valencia, founder and solution consultant at BCM Pros. Friday's global tech outage was a wake-up call for many businesses. Flights were grounded, banks went offline, and even hospitals experienced disruption. This incident highlights a critical reality. Operational disruptions are inevitable, and no organization is immune. Here's the good news. With a developed BCM strategy and the right solution, you can reduce downtime and mitigate the impact of these kinds of disruptions. Here's the bad news. Most organizations are stuck in very large Excel spreadsheets. And because of this, most process owners are reluctant to really engage with resiliency efforts. When they do, the process is very time consuming and ineffective. Now, don't get me wrong, there are a lot of amazing things Excel can do. And you might not hear this a lot, but I think it's a great way to get started with a BCM program early on. But it can only take you so far. The great thing about the ServiceNow BCM solution is that it supports the process owner with an easy-to-use interface, where their BIA data and inputs can be seamlessly used to develop recovery strategies, continuity plans that can be monitored in real time, all from a single platform. Incredibly enough, and it's the reason we chose to partner with ServiceNow over other vendors, is that this can all be developed in as little as 8 weeks. Even if you're just a little bit curious about what that looks like, let's connect. You can schedule a quick 15-minute call from the link below, and we'll see if ServiceNow BCM is right for you. Thank you for watching, and stay resilient.